So here we have the Ford Galaxy Automatic on a 19 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors. Currently all 7 seats are in place, so this is the amount of boot space you have as a 7-seater. I'll drop the rear 2 seats down and show you how much space you have as a 5-seater. And as you can see, you get loads of space when you do that. You can drop the remaining seats using these buttons just here. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, we have the speedometer. In the middle, you can see the total miles for this car, which are 14,418. Below that, we have the readout to show you what gear this car is currently in, and above that, we have a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change that information for your entertainment menu, navigation, your phone, or the speed. And over on the left-hand side, we can have information displayed in that section as well. And what I was just doing is done using these buttons and these ones over here. Also over on the right, we have stereo controls and phone controls, and on the left-hand side, cruise control and speed limiter. Over in the center, we have the touchscreen for the car. So this is where you can access satellite navigation. There's a video showing how that works in full that you can find on our website and on our YouTube channel. When it comes to music in this car, we have AM, FM and DAB radio, a CD player and Bluetooth audio as well, so you can stream your music wirelessly as well as making and receiving phone calls. If we go back out to the main menu, to connect your phone, just hit add device.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
And then follow the instructions on screen and on your phone screen from there. Working our way down, we have the volume for the stereo and the CD player. We then have dual zone climate control, so you can adjust the passenger temperature and the driver temperature. You can decrease and increase the fan speed. All adjustments will show up on here. When you're happy with those settings, this button will turn your air conditioning off in this case, or back on again. Or you can hit auto, and in doing so, the car will now maintain the temperature that you've asked for, and you can hear it doing that. It'll do that for you automatically by taking full control of the fan speed and the direction of the air as well. We have a heated rear screen just here and a proper heated front screen there. This section opens up to reveal a 12-volt charging socket and the 2 USB inputs. We then have the dial for the gears. So we've got park, reverse, neutral and drive just there. We have an electronic handbrake. Over here you can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is now off. And then you can turn the parking sensors on and off from here. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.